Halo, what's up guys, jumpa lagi bersama Keseru Channel. Pada kesempatan kali ini gue ingin berbagi tutorial tentang magical fire ya, yang seperti di video sebelumnya, atau mungkin bagi teman-teman yang belum tahu videonya seperti ini ya. Nah, itu adalah trik magical fire ya, tanpa menggunakan kain green screen tentunya ya. Untuk teknik seperti ini kalian bisa lihat di vlog pertama gua ya. Kalau ini bukan magic tapi ini hanya sebuah skill aja ya. Oke, tidak lama-lama lagi kita lihat saja tutorialnya seperti apa. Ya, seperti ini.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. To create a song.